We can confirm the suspect in these 8 homicides is Shamar Elkins. He is believed to be the man responsible for this heinous act.
Authorities in Louisiana identifying the gunman they say shot and killed 8 children, 7 of them his own, across 3 Shreveport homes Sunday. The slain children included 7 siblings and a cousin. The 3 boys and 5 girls ranged in age from 3 to 11. The gunman's wife, the mother of his children, was the first person shot Sunday, sustaining very serious injuries, according to authorities. The shooter then went to a separate residence and shot the children, and another woman who was the mother of the 8th child killed.
There's another female that was in this residence that has life-threatening injuries.
The gunman carjacked a vehicle and led police on a chase into a neighboring parish.
The vehicle was chased into Bossier Parish, and at which point in time, Shreveport police officers did discharge their firearm, and that individual is deceased.
Police said the shootings were, quote, domestic in nature.
These are the tragedies when there are domestic violence or domestic disturbances in our community.
The community in mourning and traumatized by the killings, with many calling for a concerted effort to prevent anything like this from ever happening again.
Please utilize every resource that the sheriff has brought forth now. This family and this community needs you. I need you.
I'm Reed Binion reporting.
Estamos abriendo el camino del reencuentro nacional. Un camino desprovisto de clasismo y de racismo. Un camino que encuentre la paz en sí misma. A través de la ley de amnistía, más de 8,000 venezolanos han sido beneficiados, mientras que el programa de convivencia y paz integra y atiende a todos los sectores nacionales. La paz no es un discurso. La paz se construye todos los días, con reconciliación, con reconocimiento mutuo y con tolerancia. Con la reforma de la ley de hidrocarburos, de la ley de minas, Venezuela entra en una nueva etapa con reglas claras para atraer inversión, tecnología, desarrollo productivo y creación de nuevos empleos. Abrimos nuestras puertas al mundo con la certeza de que podemos avanzar sin renunciar jamás a la soberanía sobre nuestros recursos.
Y'all willing to fight for it?
Yes, sir.
I need to hear you a little louder. Y'all willing to fight for it?
Yes, sir.
Ready whenever you are, Michael.
Michael shows how Michael Jackson went from child star to the biggest star in music.
I believe music can change the world.
The king of pop is played as a boy by Giuliano Valdi, then by Jafaar Jackson, Michael's nephew.
I really dived into his personal writings and journaling that really informed me on what he was feeling and thinking in a lot of those moments, and also why he wanted to write certain songs, and just seeing his vision in writing was incredible and informed me tremendously.
Just have all these songs in my head. Just gotta get them out.
I would try to write notes. So Michael Jackson, he would write like "Make It Shine," and he would put it on his on his mirror. And I would put that on my mirror, and that helped motivated me.
You are the greatest of all time.
Michael's such an icon. You have to divorce yourself from that and deal with the human being. And it's easier when you have great actors who can bring that to the table. Just meeting Jafaar and Giuliano, immediately you could feel the spirit of Michael just based on who they are.
In Hollywood, I'm David Daniel.
Tenemos una oficina en Shenzhen, nuestro centro técnico y logístico, y estamos incorporando toda la tecnología más avanzada a nuestros diseños y procesos de fabricación aquí en Perú. Dado que los robots son herramientas inteligentes, habrá una nueva forma de realizar tareas en comparación con cómo se hacen las cosas hoy en día. Así que, ahora que la gente está comprendiendo mejor cómo funcionan los robots, el miedo inicial que algunos podían tener hacia ellos se está desvaneciendo.